Hi guys, welcome to Technic Force Learning. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels with multiple photos and music. Let's get started. Just like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels offers a smart way to create short-form entertaining videos. While most users directly record Reels within the Instagram app, or use existing videos for their gallery. That said, most people still aren't aware of the fact that they can add photos to the Reels. The idea to make a photo reel with music makes sense when you want to share a moment using photos instead of videos. This is similar to creating a slideshow of a bunch of pictures with background music. Interestingly, you can make Reels with photos using the Reels feature in the Instagram app itself. This eliminates the need to use third-party apps or services to make Reels on Instagram with multiple photos. Moreover, you can search and add your favorite music or song from the Instagram music library. Now let's see how to make Instagram Reels with photos and music on iPhone and Android. First, how to make Reels on Instagram with photos. Make sure the Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Next, go to the Reels tab and tap the camera icon at the top right to create a new reel. Swipe up on the screen or tap the gallery icon at the bottom left corner. Next, tap the drop-down menu at the top left corner to add photos from a specific photo album. Next, tap a folder such as favorites or selfies and select the photo you'll want to add to your reel. Then, choose the time duration from which a particular photo should appear in the photo reel. To do so, drag the sides of the slider and reduce the visible time from the default 5 seconds. Next, tap the Add button to add the photo to your reel. Then, to add more photos, simply repeat the steps earlier. Now, after adding all the photos, tap the Audio button to add music to your reel. Tap the Preview button. On the next screen, add text, effects, stickers, or voiceover to your clip if required. And that is how you make Reels on Instagram with photos. Now, let me show you how to make Instagram Reels with multiple photos. Use this when you want to quickly add multiple photos from a single photo album instead of selecting multiple photos from different albums. First, navigate to the Create Reel screen and tap the gallery icon. Select a directory from which you want to add multiple photos and videos. Next, tap the Select Multiple button. It's the two overlapping squares icon from the top right corner. Next, select the photos in the order you want them to appear in your reel. Then, tap the Next button and adjust the time interval of the photos one by one. Once you are done adding the photos, you can add a song, stickers, effects, or even your own voice to the reel. And that is how easy it is to make Instagram Reels with multiple photos and music. And before this video ends, did you know that you can make Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter bring you fresh leads and sales on autopilot? Introducing Memester Video Edition by Technic Force. It's a breakthrough video marketing software that gives you big budget reach without the budget. Create and syndicate insanely viral watch rate videos that bring you higher reach, explosion in engagement, and more sales. Unlock the traffic you deserve. Bring an instant turnaround in your business and work. Get more traffic for the same videos that you've always produced because people will now notice them. Use YouTube videos to create your own video memes instantly, even if you haven't created a single video yet, and get reach, engagement, traffic, and sales without spending anything or working all day. If you want to try Memester Video Edition now, just go to memester.in. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.